solve sine theta minus 40 degrees is equal to 0.5 for theta being between 0 and 360 degrees. So solving this, first of all, we're going to ignore the fact that it says theta minus 40 degrees. We're just going to do sine to the minus 1 of 0.5. But remember that we're solving for theta being between 0 and 360. So we're going to have sine to the minus 1 of 0.5 is equal to 30 degrees. Either you do that on your calculator or you remember it. Right, doing the South Asian Tennis Club, first, second, third, fourth quadrant, and we want to know where sine is positive because we've got positive 0.5. Sine is positive in the first and the second quadrants. So in the first and the second quadrants, we draw an angle of 30 degrees. It doesn't have to be accurate. We just draw a line at about 30 degrees in the first and the second quadrants. Now remember, angles, positive angles, go around anti-clockwise from this axis here. So theta will be equal, because we're doing theta minus 40 degrees, instead of saying theta, we now say theta minus 40 degrees is going to be equal to 30 degrees, and then go around to this one here, which is the orange one, which will be 180 minus 30 degrees, 180 minus 30 degrees. So that's going to give theta minus 40 is equal to 30, and then 180 minus 30 is equal to 150. But that's theta minus 40. For theta, we will now need to add 40. So theta will be 30 plus 40, and then 150 plus 40, which gives me 190 degrees. So this has been a video to show you how to solve a trigonometric equation where we have a horizontal translation between 0 and 360 degrees. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.